Humba is a beloved Filipino dish. It is braised pork belly. The pork simmers in a rich, flavorful sauce. Soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and spices create the sauce. Each family has its own humba recipe. Humba shows Spanish and Chinese influences on Filipino food. The dish has similarities to adobo. It also reflects Chinese cooking techniques. Filipinos have made humba their own. It is a staple at celebrations and family meals. 1 kilogram pork belly, cut into 2-inch cubes, half a cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 4 cloves garlic, crushed, 1 onion sliced, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, water, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Marinate the pork belly. Combine soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and peppercorns in a bowl. Add the pork belly. Make sure it is coated well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. 2. Brown the pork. Heat oil in a pot. Brown the marinated pork on all sides. Set the pork aside. 3. Sauté the aromatics. In the same pot, sauté the onions until softened. Add the bay leaves. 4. Simmer and tenderize. Return the pork to the pot. Pour in the marinade. Add water to cover the pork. Bring to a boil. Then lower the heat. Simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. The pork should be tender. 5. Achieve the perfect glaze. Add brown sugar. Stir well to dissolve. Continue simmering until the sauce thickens. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Humba represents Filipino hospitality. It is a dish meant to be shared. Humba is often served at fiestas and special occasions. The rich sauce and tender pork are irresistible. Filipinos learn to cook humba from their elders. It is a way of preserving culinary traditions. Each family adds its own touch to the recipe. Humba's flavors evoke memories of home and family.